His is not a story of conspiracy or secret experiments. This is the story of nature's silent home, where the cycle of life and death has played out for billions of years. The tiny entity we faced, SARS-CoV-2, has roots that are deep, ancient, and entirely natural. The majority of scientists agree that the coronavirus family is linked to bats. These nocturnal creatures are, in fact, safe havens for hundreds of viruses. Through millions of years of evolution, bats have learned to live with these viruses without falling ill. This is a natural balance. But today, the contact between humans and nature is increasing. As we cut down forests and expand urban areas, we are interfering with the biological systems where these viruses quietly reside. When the habitat of wild animals shrinks, they are forced to come closer to humans and domestic animals. Scientific research suggests that the SARS-CoV-2 virus naturally changed its form, mutated. It could have transferred directly from bats to humans, or perhaps through an intermediate host animal, similar to what happened with SARS in 2003 or MERS in 2012. Within this intermediate host body, the virus adapted itself to enter human cells. This evolutionary process was a silent, yet crucial moment. The virus, harmless to the bat's body for years, was now ready to conquer a new world. In late 2019, this natural crossover occurred somewhere in the city of Wuhan, China. Although the Wuhan wet market was initially considered the center of the spread, it is also possible that the first case occurred elsewhere, and the market only accelerated its transmission rate. An unusual cough, a fever. At first, it affected only a few people, then dozens, and then thousands. The virus found the ideal environment within humans, where it could rapidly replicate and spread easily. Global scientific research, including genetic sequencing studies, firmly confirms that SARS-CoV-2 evolved under natural selection. Its DNA contains all the markers that prove it is a product of nature rather than a virus engineered in a laboratory. The birth of the coronavirus teaches us an important lesson. This is not revenge. It is the consequence of violating the laws of nature. We need to reduce contact between humans and animals, stop illegal wildlife trade, and strengthen public health systems. This pandemic is proof of how a tiny creature can change the entire world. SARS-CoV-2 emerged not from a laboratory shelf, but from the vast and unseen folds of nature. This signals that we must take greater care of our world and its delicate ecological balance.